Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. Today's video is going to be a little different than what you have seen in my channel before. Today's DIYs are not soaps or cosmetics. I will be showing you some of the DIYs that I have created for a Halloween party. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here's the ghosts I made with recycled K-cups from coffee, and put some little skeletons there. The faces, I printed out labels. I covered the K-cup with tissue paper, and we set it up like this. Okay, and this guy is 2 laundry baskets I spray painted with matte black, and these are just the hands that I bought at the dollar store, and this is a mask for a costume, and I painted that white, and I sanded him down a little bit so he's not just pure white, and he's wearing a vest that's part of a costume. And we put the chain up, one of those plastic chains, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and here's a jar of eyeballs that I made, and this is just water with so I created a gelling agent first, and I put some red dye and just added some eyeballs from the dollar store, and so the gelling agent allows them to stay suspended. Okay, so here's a mummy that we put on the post of the bar, if you can see right there. That was wrapped with crepe paper and some of this creepy cloth. And I ran out of time to go buy googly eyes, so what I did is I just printed them on cardboard paper and we put them up there. And then this guy we couldn't wrap because we didn't have enough crepe paper, so we just put googly eyes. He looks like a tree. In this particular project, I have created a ghost. The ghost is made entirely of clear garbage bags and tape. Everything is made with using packing tape except for the front of the face, which I used Scotch tape just so you can see more of the details. I used a wig head to make the face of the ghost. My mother-in-law helped me to pose for the body as I put a garbage bag over her torso, and I taped the entire torso with packing tape. And once I cut those from behind and put them back together, I dressed it up with using garbage bags. The skirt has 3 layers of garbage bags, and the head I'm using 1 garbage bag as the veil. I did not put it up yet because we are going to put it up on the day of Halloween, because due to harsh weather here in Texas right now, it's really windy, so we didn't want it to get destroyed. Once it's up, I'm going to add solar light from the garden underneath the ghost, so it looks a little bit scarier.